Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review about the Beelink SER5 Max mini PC. Before we start, make sure to click the link in description below to get this mini PC at the best price. The Beelink SER5 Max is a compact powerhouse designed for both productivity and entertainment, perfect for users who want high performance without taking up a full-size desktop setup. Powered by the AMD Ryzen R7 7735HS processor and integrated Radeon 6 ADM graphics, this mini PC handles daily work applications like Office, Photoshop, CAD, and Illustrator with ease, while also supporting popular games like CS, Go, GTA 5, PUBG, Dota 2, and more. Its 24 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and ultra-fast 1 TB PCIe SSD ensure smooth multitasking and near-instant load times, meaning you can jump between projects or games without delays. One of the standout advantages of this system is its triple display support via HDMI, DisplayPort, and Type-C, making it a versatile choice for content creators, streamers, and multitaskers who need more screen real estate. Connectivity is another strong point with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, 2.5G Ethernet, and multiple USB ports allowing seamless connection to a variety of peripherals and wireless devices, keeping your desk clutter-free and efficient. Despite its tiny footprint, the SER5 Max features a smart cooling system with heat pipes and a fan that maintain optimal temperatures without throttling performance, making it one of the few mini PCs that can handle high workloads consistently. A minor consideration is that its compact size may limit internal upgrade options compared to larger desktops. But for most users, the provided storage and RAM are more than sufficient. Whether you're setting up a home office, creating digital content, or enjoying casual gaming, this mini PC delivers reliable performance while saving valuable space. Its quiet operation and elegant design make it suitable for any environment, blending seamlessly into both professional and personal setups. Overall, the Beelink SER5 Max mini PC is a highly versatile and efficient device that combines power, portability, and style in one package. If you're looking for a small but mighty system to boost your productivity or gaming experience, this is an excellent choice. Don't forget to check the link in the description to grab this mini PC at the best price today.